It looks like there's something big happening here. Possible troll. Nah, it's pretty awesome right now, the weather.
A few short pieces, that's about it.
Oh no, it's that terrible cop. Those are two of the terrible cops that were involved in the false arrest of Foxy and Kirsten, Canadian Gypsy. Yo, it's that same chick and the guy too. That's crazy. Okay, we got somebody. Okay, a lot of police vehicles here. There's probably like 4 or 5 cruisers here. Is that SWAT team as well? What? Okay, it looks like they're coming. Oh, they got SWAT team here as well. Oh, they got the big guns. What is that? A beanbag gun, machine gun. Check out that gun. Okay, so the building they came out of, I think that's an SRO building. They got the SWAT gear, the shields, and all that stuff. I'm not too familiar with guns. I don't know what kind of gun that is. You say it's an AR-15? Has somebody been injured or killed? I'm not sure. And it's very likely whatever, I'm not totally sure what's going on right now, what the specifics are of the situation, but it's very likely there's mental health issues involved here. So there's more cops still coming out. Like, how many cops are there? They just keep coming out of that building. There's got to be like a dozen cops or more here. I'm gonna check out what building that is. Let's see what kind of. Okay, this is the building. There's still cops coming out. Yeah, so this definitely looks like some kind of SRO. Oh, sorry, did you happen to see what happened here? Would you mind sharing?
I have no idea.
All right, have a good one. And they got a guy in handcuffs right there. Yeah, seems like a whole lot of cops for one person. Okay, they're gonna uncuff him. Yeah, I'm gonna try and ask. I'm not sure if he's friendly or not, but I'm gonna try and ask that dude what happened here. Exactly. And there's so much of this. Just dozens of cops whatever standing around, milling around, doing next to nothing. It's a common sight in Vancouver. They're gonna debrief apparently. Paul, what's going on? Hey, nice to see you, Paul. How's your day been going? Yeah, They're on something. Molly here, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. I'll subscribe back to you. Okay, so apparently that guy was just falsely detained, falsely arrested. I think it was just a wrong place at the wrong time situation. They just let that guy go, the one that was handcuffed, and I'm not totally sure what went on inside that building, what initiated all these cops arriving here, but they had SWAT gear. They had some kind of, I don't know what kind of gun that was, but they had the big guns out. Got another troll here. Where is this? This is Main Street, East Cordova Street and Main Street, like right on the intersection. Hey, did you happen to see what happened here?
No, I just came across this now.
Hey, there's the jail across the street there, the courthouse across the street.